how to add customer details from Pabbly subscription billing to Google Sheets automatically. So in this video I will show you how you can integrate Pabbly subscription billing with the Google Sheets in such a way that whenever any payment is done by a customer in this software, the same customer along with all details will be added automatically immediately in Google Sheets. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I'll show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly subscription billing and this is the sheet I have created, and in order to integrate these two applications I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost effective integration and automation software. And both Pabbly Connect and Pabbly subscription billing both are actually owned by the same company, that is Pabbly. Okay, and here you can notice I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Okay, and once you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you will have to click on this blue button. But before that, let me show you from this particular option you can actually and easily switch to any application owned by Pabbly. Here you can notice this email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly email verification and Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, so coming back here and let me click on this create workflow button. You'll have to do the same after login, and firstly you will have to provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add customer details from Pabbly subscription billing to Google Sheets. Okay, and now click on create, and after that you will notice two boxes. Okay, so these boxes are actually called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens then automatically do this. So basically you need to always select the applications in these boxes in which you are setting up an automation. Okay, understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, and now according to our use case, whenever any payment is done by Pabbly subscription billing, any payment is made by customer in Pabbly subscription billing software. Okay, let me add the correct spelling of Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, so whenever the payment is done by customer in Pabbly subscription billing application, then automatically add those customer details in Google Sheets application. Okay, so I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I will connect to both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect Pabbly subscription billing with the Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. We are going to do that. Okay, so firstly you will have to select the trigger event. Okay, so I want that whenever any new customer is created in this software, the details should be first captured via Pabbly Connect, and again as I have told you, I'm going to connect both the application with the help of webhook URL. So as soon as I have selected this trigger event, here you can notice I have this webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so you will have to follow these instructions very carefully. Okay, so firstly copy this webhook URL and then go back to the dashboard of Pabbly subscription billing and directly click on this settings section, and here you will find an option of webhooks. Okay, so click on that webhook option, and here we will add a new webhook. In case of any confusion, you can read the instructions. Okay, so I have clicked on that button. It is asking for the name, so how about I provide any random name, something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm providing this random name Pabbly Connect, asking for the select product. Okay, so basically what kind of customers you would like to capture in Pabbly Connect. Do you want that if customer is making a payment for a specific product, then only the customer details should be added to spreadsheet, or you want that doesn't matter which product is, if you want that whenever the customer make a payment for any product which is created already into Pabbly subscription billing, the details of the customer should be added in Google Sheets. Okay, so in this way you will have to select your choice. Okay, I want to set this webhook for all the products, and in the select plan also I'll go with all product only, all plan only. Okay, and here exactly you will have to paste the same webhook URL which you have received via Pabbly Connect. All right, I have added the same, and here you can notice it is asking that what activity, what event you want to select. Okay, so I want that any customer is created in Pabbly subscription billing, this automation should trigger. Okay, so that is why I'm selecting this particular option under this customer section. Here you can notice we also have the subscription related events, payment related events, invoice related, credit related, and affiliate related. Okay, so currently I have selected my choice, my preferable choice, and here you can notice the webhook is added successfully in Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, come back to Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice our test webhook URL as a response has been captured. Okay, so basically you'll have to click on this recapture webhook response button once, and now you will notice that it will start waiting for the webhook response. Okay, which means it is saying that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record, so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new customer in our Pabbly subscription billing software. Okay, so how we can create a new customer? We are going to open the product section and we are going to simply make a dummy payment as a new customer of any random product. Okay, give me a second. Alright, so here you can notice we have this PHP notes for beginners. Okay, so how about I directly open the checkout page of this product, and again with some dummy details I will make this payment so that those dummy customer details can be captured here as a response. Okay, so assume that the name of the customer is a demo, last name is customer, demo customer, email address is admin@pabblytudes.com, and again it is also a dummy email address only, asking for the billing address. Okay, so here I will select India, asking for the state, so I'll select Madhya Pradesh, and for making a payment I will use this test card which is already selected, and as soon as I'll click on the success button you will notice that the test card details will be added here automatically. Simply click on this complete order button, and this is how as soon as the order will be successful, basically the payment is successful, those payment details will be received as a response in our Pabbly Connect dashboard. Alright, here you can notice the response is received. Now let me show you the details one by one. Here we have the event type as customer create, the event source as a checkout, we have the same dummy email address, we even have the same date of the payment, and let me show you other details also. Alright, so here we have the last name of the customer, the first name of the customer, again email address, the date of the payment, the country, the state, everything. We have all the data. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards what will happen? If any new customer will make a payment for any product in Pabbly subscription billing, the details of that customer will be captured via Pabbly Connect, that too instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to send these customer details in Google Sheets. Okay, so the application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is add a new row, and just like we have connected Pabbly subscription billing and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So you'll have to provide the access of your Google Sheets account. Okay, I am not going to provide the new access because I have already provided this access multiple times. Okay, so that is why I am going with the existing connection. Okay, make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you'll have to provide the access first as a new customer, and then further you can also go with the existing connection. And here you can notice my Google Sheets account is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are actually available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Okay, here you can notice, and currently I will select this all paid customers Google Sheets. Okay, so let me search for the same, that is all paid customers. Okay, and in the sheet I have a single sheet only, that is sheet 1. Okay, so again I'll be selecting the same. Well, it has got selected automatically. Now you will notice that whatever the columns I have created into my spreadsheet, okay, so currently I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns. all these 6 columns are actually visible as a field in Pabbly Connect software. Here you can notice the same name, email, phone number, city, country code and pin code. Okay, name, email, phone number, city, country and pin code. Okay, so this is how you just need to provide the data in these fields and click on this button, and the data will be updated automatically to sheet. Okay, and from where we will provide this data? Remember, we have just captured the data from our previous step, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy these details and paste it here. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the same data, the above data, here in the drop down. Okay, search for your data, and this is how the details will be mapped. I will give a space, and further I will map the last name also, which was customer data last name. Okay, so I have mapped successfully the full name. Now it is asking for the email, phone number. So in this way only I am going to map the data in other fields also. But you must be thinking that what is this mapping, why I have not copied the details and pasted here. Okay, so basically if I will manually copy the details and paste it here, what will happen? Every time a new customer is created, the same customer data will be added to Google Sheets because we have specified those details manually. Okay, so if you want that this automation should work in real time automatically, basically these details should be replaced automatically with every new customer, in that case you should do the mapping. Okay, and that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Well, I'm sorry, I have not taken any phone number field into my checkout page, so that is why I do not have the phone number. So don't worry, I will delete this particular field. Okay, give me a second. And once you will delete this field, do not forget to click on this refresh to fetch new items, so that we can see the changes here inside our Pabbly Connect dashboard as well. You will notice that this field will disappear because we have deleted from our sheet as well, and we have selected on this refresh button. And here you can notice right now we do not have any phone number field. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to map the details in other fields. Okay, so we have the state as Madhya Pradesh, and again I am telling you, whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically. When this automation will work in real time, I'll have to check if the customer details, if the country details have been captured here or not. And yes, we do have the country code. Lastly, it is asking for the pin code. Well, I guess we do not have the pin code again, so I'll have to check. Alright, so as far as I remember, I have not even taken the pin code feed also into my checkout page, so that is why I do not have that data. Okay, so don't worry about that. Again, I will delete this particular field and click on this refresh button, and you will notice that pin code field will also disappear from Pabbly Connect dashboard. And my motive was to just to show you how you can build an integration in Pabbly subscription billing and Google Sheets, and how you can actually sync your data. Okay, so I hope I have taught you everything. Now it is up to you what field you would like to take into your checkout page and in this spreadsheet. Okay, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and now I will wait for the response to receive. And here you can notice the response is here, same response, the same customer details have been added here successfully. So we have the name, the same email, the same state and the same country code. Just in case if you also want to fetch the payment related data, like which particular product this customer has purchased, what was the price of that product, in that case you will have to select another trigger event, which can be this successful payment. Okay, yes, you can select the successful payment trigger, and in this way you can capture other details also inside your spreadsheet. Okay, so this is how you can entirely automate this process by simply setting up an automation in this Pabbly Connect software. Okay, and once you will create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect, after that you do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. You just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.